Hello, I'm Dr. Hank Dassinger, Dean at the Community College of the Air Force. Did you know CCAF plans to launch a new degree program in the fall of 2021? Like CCAF's other degree programs, the new degree will be an Associate of Applied Science degree, or AAS. But unlike CCAF's other 69 degree programs, this new degree will not be tied to a specific vocation or AFSC. The new degree is called the AAS in Military Technology and Applied Sciences Management, MTASM, pronounced MTASM. But why a new degree? Each AFSC determines how best to train personnel within the career field to become mission capable. And there are fairly significant differences across career fields in this preparation effort. For some career fields, the amount of training required, while adequate for mission readiness, did not fully meet requirements for an academic degree. As a result, CCAF created over the years several credit awarding policies to bridge the gap between required career field training and degree program requirements. While well-intended, these policies were not in alignment with academic best practices and academic rigor. So as many of you know, we have been in the process of changing these policies and practices. Unfortunately, these policy changes have left several AFSCs short of meeting the requirements for the traditional vocationally anchored degree. This is where the MTASM helps us, as this new degree does not rely on any specific amount of vocational training as a degree requirement. In short, the MTASM will provide a pathway to a CCAF degree to enlisted personnel from those AFSCs and some special duty identifiers where the amount of academic credit earning vocational training is inadequate for the traditional vocationally based degree. At CCAF, we're excited about this degree opportunity. We'll be providing more information through your education services personnel and on the CCAF website. So stay tuned for more detail on the soon-to-be-released MTASM degree. Thank you for listening.